Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, hi, my name is Martell, and welcome to Martell Online. And in today's video, I'm going to be continuing with the playthrough of Rain World, and let's get started. So, I'm going to be honest with you guys, I haven't played this game in like 2 weeks, so I'm probably going to suck. What else is new? But like, hey, we're going to try to get this, and you know, have fun, and be fancy, fun, and fresh, and what is going on? Oh my god, what is going on right now? Hold on. I think I need to change the controls because I think I had it with the like the gamepad settings, and I don't really like playing the gamepad settings with this particular game. I don't know, I just feel like it's a lot easier for me personally to play with the keyboard. I don't know. It's probably because like I started playing this game on the keyboard and then I got the gamepad, so that's probably why that's happening. But hey, that's just my personal preference. So let's get on with this, shall we? All right. So I think that the last time I played this, I just met the guy. Yeah, I met the guy who I did not kill, and I wanted to explain to you guys why I didn't kill him, but like not right now because I didn't want to spoil anything for you. So yeah, should be fancy, fun, and fresh. Okay, so I can't really get any way that way. So let me just and on we march. Alright, I guess we can just drop down from here. Okay, I still dropped down to a degree. I really like this game. I like the art of this game so much. Can you just... Thank you. It's so indie. So independent, yeah. Independent, yeah. Okay. Fancy, fun, and fresh. Oh, you know what? Maybe I should get food because I don't really know where the next save area is after that one. Okay, so where can I get the noms at? I know there's noms in here. Is there not nom? Oh, there's a nom. As by noms, I mean like nom 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 nom. Food. Nom 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 nom. Food. There's another nomage. Really? There's only 2? Huh. I thought there would be more. Okay, well that looks like I have to find one more food item before I hibernate. Oh, so from one of the comments of the last one of the last videos that I posted, the guy told me that the music wasn't playing. Like there's supposed to be music when there's an enemy nearby, and I completely forgot about that because I like turned the music off and I play drum and bass. So yeah, hopefully that is something that's changed in this this video going forward. I changed the music, so it is something that's going to be changed going forward. So yeah. Okay, so how much time do I have? Okay, I have more than enough time, so I don't necessarily need to hibernate, even though I want to hibernate. Hey, there's another food item right there, so I can just hibernate right after I like get these 2 food items. Nom. Just imagine if that was the sound when he was eating. Okay, stop, Martell, you're stupid. La 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 la. La 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 la. I'm going to hibernate, yeah. I mean, like, I know you want me to go in that direction, but I'm not gonna do that. Because I wanna hibernate, yeah. Love that. Alright, and we're off. After the door opens. Alright. Doopy doopy doop. Doopy doop. Woo! 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 Let's go under. Oh, that's probably why there wasn't really that many food items in that room before. I probably ate them like in the last playthrough. That's okay, because there's all the food items I could need. All of the knowledge. All of the knowledge. Okay, so I feel like I can get fancy, fun, and fresh. Alright. I hope that big monster thing isn't like in the ocean right now, even though it like probably would be, but let's just hope not. Okay, you guys hear that sound? That is the sound of an enemy nearby. So, where's the enemy? No? Okay, I guess there wasn't one. Doobie 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 doo. Doobie 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 doo. Doobie doo. Can you just go? I probably should have. Oh, why did I do that? The music again. Okay. Oh, there it is right there. Nope, none of that. If you didn't see, there was like a shadow to the... Okay, I don't think that I'm going the right way. Okay, so let's look for a second. Oh, I haven't been down here yet? Or have I been down that other one? Okay, let's see what's down here first. Whee! Okay. I can go down to the left. How many food items do I have? I'm good on food. I could use more if I wanted to, but let's off. I hate leeches. If you couldn't tell, I don't really like the leeches in this game because they just grab you and they drag you down to the bottom. Just like energy leeches in real life. Aha! No, I'm just kidding. But like, seriously. Come on. Oh, it's probably because it wants me to like use the passage, but I'm not going to. Okay, so since I know that there's leeches down there, I'm gonna try to go that other way. Because I don't want to deal with that. Maybe I have to, though. Okay, if I get eaten alive, then I'm just not dealing with it. Well, not eaten alive. Dragged down to the bottom. Dragged down to the bottom. Okay, so, like, my main priority anytime I'm playing this game is to get all of the food I see. Because, like, there's some areas that are, like, stop moving. There's some areas that are abundant in food, and then there's some areas that are not. So, you never know. So, let me just stock up on food before I go, and hopefully not get eaten alive by, like, the leeches, because that would really suck. Yay. Okay, so now we're full up on food, +1. Let's see if we can get past those little leech things. Not in the mood, not in the mood, not in the mood. But I mean, like, I'm clearly in the mood because I'm playing the game. Stop. The thing about this game is that, like, I get so, like, nervous that no, 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 no! Okay, okay, okay. Okay. Like, do you see all of these? Like, okay. Okay, cool. Alright, now what is in this direction? Okay. Do you want me to go a different direction, yellow person, sir? Is that what you're doing? Oh, ho, ho, that scared the shit out of me. Oh my god! Get away! Get away! It's like they're not gonna do anything, but it's just like, stop. Alright. So there's more food. Hey, I'm going in the right direction. You know what? I want to have this pearl. Like, I want it. Like, I probably don't need it. Clearly not. But... Ooh. This song is groovy. Oh wait, I'm already... Hold on a second. What's in my mouth? Oh, that's in my mouth. Let's just keep that there. This song is a bop, okay? I'm here for all of this. So should I go this way or to the... What is this way? I feel like... Oh, okay, that's what that is. I did something wrong. I did not mean to do that. Okay, hold on a second. Like, I really want to go to a different area for some reason, because I just feel... Okay, you're telling me to go this way, but I just feel like that's not the way to go, but whatever, you're the person who's directing me here, Mr. Yellow Guy, sir. It just doesn't feel right. It doesn't feel right. Take it out, like, what are you doing? Oh my god. Okay, alright, cool. I think I realized something. Probably not. But we're just gonna say that we realized something. It's like, can I go over here? I can't? What okay, what is the purpose? I knew that I was not supposed to be in this area. That's annoying. Irritated. Hold on. You want me to... No, that's not happening. Oh my god, there's that big thing. Huh, that's what she said. Stop! Just stop everything you're doing. Okay. Because, like, I mean, if I try to go, like, down there, like, it's not gonna be a good thing. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna love that. I'm gonna go back around and see that other area that I was gonna go into. That means I have to go past the leeches again. Okay. Hey, there's you. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Nope, nope, nope. Come here. There we go. Ah. 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 Okay, not do that. Martel, what are you doing? You're gonna die. I know, I know, I know, I know, I know, I know. No, 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 no. Oh wow, I'm so about to die. Okay. Alright. Okay, so that was a little bit of an ordeal. Stop it. Stop it. Okay, cool. So like, okay, sometimes like I try to do things and like the little slug cat just like, it's just like, nah, I'm gonna not do the commands that you're like clearly inputting into the keyboard. I'm gonna ruin your day. Love that. Love all of that. Okay, so you just watched me waste 10 minutes of my life backtracking, but hey, that's the whole fun of the experience. And if I cannot go to the left, I swear. Okay, I can. Oh, but there's leeches. What do you know? Okay, so we're gonna try to jump over them. Okay, alright. Alright. Alright, let's try to go down here. Okay. Let's try again. Okay. I'm not trying to drown myself. I'm just trying to go. Okay, cool. Alright. Wait. No! Okay. How much time do I have? No, 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 no. Ah. I am literally dead. Literally. No, 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 no. No. I am literally panicking right now. You're watching me die. No. I have no idea where I'm going. Where am I? What is happening right now? Shit, 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 shit. Am I literally suffocating? Love that. Okay, so let's try that again, and now that I know like what direction I want to go, let's not waste a cycle. I probably should have just like went back to the hibernation area so I didn't lose my survivor status, but you know, you live and learn. And like honestly, like, oh, love that. See, you see what I'm saying? Like, I'm like clearly giving it commands to do stuff, and oh, it's probably because like I'm dealing with the physics of the water too. That is a factor that I did not factor into my factoring. Love that. Boop doo 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 doo. Boop doo 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 doo. Okay, so I'm probably not gonna go in the same one I went in, or I could. I don't know. Let's just see what happens. Maybe I could. I'm just gonna go into like a different little tunnel, the tunnel that was to the left. Wow, I literally wasted so much time the last time around. Oh wow, there's a. Ooh. Oh, love that. What just happened? You see what I'm saying? Do you see what I'm saying? Ugh. I literally just got eaten. Oh, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. I don't know what was going on that time around, but it was not it. Oh, wow. I feel like I'm probably, you know when you're doing really good at a video game and then you lose once and then you lose like 12 times? Let's hope that that's not the same for me. Like, oh, I'm doing so good, I'm great at this game. Loses 20 times in a row. Fuck! That's literally me every time I play video games. Because I am not the best video gamer, but I love video games. Love them. You literally watch me do nothing for 20 minutes straight. I'm gonna get to another area. Oh wow, this is like, I'm getting so anxious because I'm doing terrible content. It's not like anyone's watching anyway, so whatever. Okay, so I don't know how all of them got on me last time. Whoop, 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 whoop. Stop it, stop it, stop. That. Okay, that was a close one. That was literally the closest one. Okay. Alright. Okay. Alright. Okay. Alright. Alright. No. You're none of that, sir. None of that. Okay, so where am I now? You know what I should do? What not deal with what you're going through, sir? No! That's no fair. That thing was literally hovering over the exit. It's, you know, we're just gonna take this L and then, like, just move on. Like, all of these L's. All of them. Okay, so going to the left probably... Okay, I didn't want to go that way because I'm trying to get to where this thing is trying to tell me to go. And they give you hints, but, like, it kind of wants you to figure it out for yourself. Like, to a degree. Because, like... Okay, since there's so many leeches going everywhere... Oh wow, oh wow, oh wow, oh wow, oh wow, oh wow. Literally needed none of that. Okay, stop it, stop it, stop it, stop everything you're doing, sir. Stop everything you're doing, sir. Look at all of these leeches that are on me right now. It's so disgusting. Like, if I didn't have this thing, I would literally be dead. I'm trying so hard right now. Like, what is happening? Like, what is life? Stop! Like, literally. I cannot breathe. Like, I really hate that that thing is, like, after me. I just want to get into the hole. That's what he said. Okay, alright, so it looks like I don't have that many leeches on me now. But... Alright, sorry I kind of gave you to that guy. Oh, no. Ah! Please! Please! Oh, no. Literally. That was literally an ordeal. I'm sweating! Alright. Okay. Alright. Okay. Okay, at least I'm able to get some knowledge going on. Some knowledge. Okay, so let's... Why would you just sit in there? Like what are you doing? Okay. Why would you... Stop everything. Okay, so let's just go this way. And no, you are not. Okay. This game stresses me out. Okay, so let's try to turn. Okay. Let's Try to turn those into food items. Okay, I just need one more food item. What are you doing? I like literally pushed down and he jumped up. Like, what? Stop everything you're doing. Okay. 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 Alright, let's go. Really? Stop. Alright. Okay, this is where I'm trying to be at. No, 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 no. Fuck. Okay, so there's all of the leeches. There's a thing, but okay, okay, okay. Martel, what are you doing? And I can't go that way, so I have to bypass the leeches. Love that. They are literally at, oh my god. They literally killed me off screen. Alright, okay. Alright guys, that's gonna be the end of this one. Sorry this one sucks so bad, but hey, there's gonna be another one, and I'm gonna try to do better in that one. So, I'll probably do a double upload because I didn't upload last week. That's probably most likely what I'm gonna do. The disrespect of it all. I'm over it. I'm over it. Alright guys, I will see you in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.